This is the CMF Phone 2 Pro, the successor of the really popular modular phone, the CMF Phone 1, which made the headlines last year with its removable back panel and a bunch of accessories that you could attach to the back of the phone. And this year they have come out with a new phone, the CMF Phone 2 Pro, which has been upgraded and improved a lot. And in some markets you can also get this phone with the charging brick in the box. But they have also taken a small step backwards, that is, the back of the phone is no longer removable, which is a good thing and a bad thing at the same time. So the good thing about this new back panel is that the phone now has jumped to IP54 rating for dust and water resistance when compared to the IP52 on the CMF Phone 1. And this new phone is slightly thinner than the older CMF Phone 1. But the bad thing about this setup is that if you want to attach the accessories available for this phone like these lenses or the wallet and stand, then you need to first attach the universal case to the phone. Only then you can attach these accessories to the phone. And speaking of accessories, this phone now gets two interchangeable lenses, a macro lens and a wide fisheye lens, which you can attach to the 50 megapixel main camera or on the 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. And the Phone 2 Pro also gets a new 50 megapixel telephoto camera with 2 times optical zoom. And you can see the stunning photos that you captured using the phone on its 6.77 inch 120Hz screen with a peak brightness of 3000 nits, which is an improvement when compared to the 2000 nits on the CMF Phone 1. Now let's move on to the subject of performance, and the Phone 2 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro processor along with 8 gigs of RAM, which means that the phone should feel pretty smooth for day-to-day tasks. And the phone comes loaded with the latest Nothing OS 3, which is based on the latest Android 15, and they promise 3 years of software updates and 6 years of security patches, which is a great thing for a budget phone. And in my opinion, the Nothing OS 3 is one of the best user interfaces out there, and I have even made a detailed separate video on the Nothing OS 3, which you can watch from the link provided below. And now if you look at what is powering this phone, then you will be looking at a 5000 mAh battery, which is just as big as the battery on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And it also supports 33 watt fast charging, and you can charge this phone with the charger provided in the box, which is a mind-blowing move from Nothing, because in my opinion, at least all budget phones should come with a charger included in the box. But again, the charger is provided inside the box only in a very few markets. Anyway, it is a step in the right direction. So in short, this is a great and impressive phone for the price you are paying, and if you are in a market where you can get the phone with the charger inside the box, then it is clearly a better deal than most other budget phones. And there is a great ecosystem of accessories available directly from the manufacturer and from its fans who are making 3D printable cases and other accessories for this phone. So let me know what you think about this phone in the comment section, and if you want to learn more about the CMF Phone 1, then check out this video, and if you enjoyed this video, then like, share and subscribe, and maybe watch another video so the algorithm knows you really enjoyed my video.